Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another video. Today I discuss about the Bitcoin graph. So let's start. First I go to the 1 hour chart. Look, the graph is going to up, and I go to the 2 hour chart. So it's going to up, and we go to the 4 hour chart. Last 4 hour it will going to up. If I go to the on day chart, look, is going to up for long on day. If we go in 1 week chart, it's going to down, and if we going to 1 month chart, it's going to down. I think this graph is going to this position. So if we go on week chart, it can be clear. And I think graph will to go this position. So now I update the today's on Bitcoin to USD. So now I discuss about the 1 BTC equal to USD. So today's chart show 1 BTC equal to 37,647.80 USD. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.